If you are upgrading your home security or looking for a convenient way to manage access, smart locks offer the perfect solution. In this video, we will be exploring top smart locks from trusted brands like eufy, Wyze, August Home, and more. We will break down their key features, security benefits, and why they could be the perfect addition to your home. Let's explore and find the best smart lock to keep your home safe and secure. Number 1. eufy T85D0 Smart Lock. The eufy T85D0 Smart Lock offers remote control from anywhere, allowing you to manage access and receive real-time notifications through the eufy security app without needing an additional bridge. It combines convenience with multiple unlocking methods and a reliable auto-lock feature to keep your home secure. With easy installation and integration into your smart home system, it's a top choice for those seeking a versatile and user-friendly smart lock. Key features: manage access from anywhere. Use a key, voice commands, or physical button. Automatically locks based on your time settings. DIY setup in 15 minutes without drilling. Pairs with an eufy doorbell for seamless control. Operates in extreme temperatures and has IPX3 waterproofing. Number 2. Philips Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The Philips Wi-Fi Smart Lock provides versatile unlocking methods including fingerprint, PIN codes, and remote access via the Philips Home Access app, making it a highly convenient and secure option. It integrates seamlessly with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling hands-free control. The auto-lock feature and the ability to generate temporary PIN codes for guests add an extra layer of security and convenience. Key features: fingerprint, PIN codes, app and keys. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Unlock from anywhere via the Philips Home Access app. Automatically locks when the door closes. Generate one-time codes for guests or service technicians. Quick setup with just a screwdriver. Timely support via phone or email. Number 3. TEEHO TE001 Smart Lock. The TEEHO TE001 Smart Lock offers versatile security with 20 passcodes for family use and the convenience of setting temporary or one-time codes for guests. Its smart locking feature includes automatic locking and one-touch auto lock for enhanced security. With its durable aluminum alloy construction, weather resistance, and anti-peat technology, it ensures reliable protection and ease of use. Key features: perfect for family and guests. Automatically deletes after single use. Lock automatically in 10 to 99 seconds or with one touch. Sturdy aluminum alloy and weather resistance. Ensures secure code entry. Can be set up in minutes with a screwdriver. Number 4. ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock offers 7-in-1 keyless entry options, including fingerprint ID, keypad, and smartphone control. Providing a wide range of access methods for maximum convenience. Its advanced security features, such as auto-lock, anti-peat technology, and customizable codes, ensure high-level protection. With its weatherproof and durable design, it meets ANSI Grade 1 standards, offering long-lasting reliability for your home. Key features: fingerprint ID, keypad, smartphone, and more. Unlocks with a single touch and stores up to 100 fingerprints. Manage access rights and view logs remotely. Automatically secures and unlocks based on proximity. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, and IFTTT. ANSI Grade 1 standard, IP65 weatherproof rating. Number 5. Sifely Smart Lock. The Sifely Smart Lock offers 7-in-1 keyless entry options, including fingerprint ID, keypad, and smartphone control, providing a wide range of access methods for maximum convenience. Its advanced security features, such as auto-lock, anti-peat technology, and customizable codes, ensure high-level protection. Key features: fingerprint, passcode, wireless key fob, card, smartphone, and key. Unlocks in less than 0.3 seconds. Optional Wi-Fi gateway allows remote lock or unlock. Installs in minutes with no extra drilling. Lasts up to 1 year with 4 AA batteries. Manage multiple locks via app and web portal. Number 6. Wyze WLCKB1 Smart Lock. The Wyze WLCKB1 Smart Lock offers quick and convenient fingerprint unlocking, eliminating the hassle of searching for keys. With its anti-peep keypad and Bluetooth connection, you can securely manage access and view detailed lock or unlock history via the Wyze app. Its auto-lock feature and compatibility with Wyze Doorbell Pro make it a practical and affordable choice for smart home security. Key features: recognizes fingerprints and unlocks in under a second, allows secure code entry with extra digits, view detailed access logs and lock history, automatically locks after a custom set time, replaces existing deadbolt in about 20 minutes, unlock remotely through the Wyze app. Number 7. August Home AUG SL05 Smart Lock. The August Home AUG SL05 Smart Lock upgrades your existing deadbolt, offering a smarter, more secure, and convenient way to manage your home's access. With the August app, you can easily share temporary or permanent access without the need for keys, while the included smart keypad allows guests to enter using a unique code. Its compatibility with major voice assistants and easy installation make it an ideal choice for smart home integration. Key features: keep your original deadbolt and keys, share permanent, scheduled, or temporary access. Guests can enter with their own code, no app required. Fits over most single-cylinder deadbolts in 10 minutes. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and more. No additional bridge required for smart home integration. Number 8. Veise KS02A Smart Lock. The Veise KS02A Smart Lock offers fast and secure fingerprint unlocking, with a recognition rate of 99.99% and quick access within 1 second. It provides multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprints, passwords, and keys, making it convenient for families and guests. With easy installation and auto-locking features, this lock ensures enhanced security and ease of use for your home. Key features: recognizes in 0.3 seconds, unlocks in 1 second. Fingerprint, password, keys, and one-time password. Locks automatically in 10 to 99 seconds. Lock instantly by pressing any key for 2 seconds. Fits most American standard doors with just a screwdriver. Thanks for watching. If you are looking for the advanced security features of the eufy T85D0, the seamless smart home integration of the August Home Smart Lock, or the affordability of the Wyze WLCKB1, there's a smart lock out there to suit your needs. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest content.